A very good morning to all my students. I am Miss Ankita, your social science teacher for class 7 from Montbretia school. So today we will start with a very new chapter from history. Okay? So please take out your social science book and let us start with chapter number 3 of history. Now see, let us start with chapter number 3, that is new kings and kingdoms. Above this topic, please write kingdoms of the south. Here we will be reading and learning about the kingdoms of the southern region, okay, south. And here we will see the case study of the Cholas. Now let us start. Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas were the most important kingdoms of South India before 4th century AD. Please mark it as one paragraph. Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas are the most important kingdom. These three are the most important kingdom of South. When? Before 4th century AD. Okay. In the 4th century AD, there emerged the Chalukyas. Chalukyas, they emerged in Karnataka. Now mark it as 1. Then the Pallavas in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. That is 2. Okay. Both these dynasties became very powerful and ruled over the region for about 400 years. For how many years they ruled the region? It is for 400 years. Okay, mark 400 years. However, with the reversal of fortune, that is luck. Fortune is luck. Fortune is luck. The Cholas started emerging again as a great power in South India around the 8th century AD. Okay. Then again they started the power in 8th century AD by defeating the Pallavas king. Okay. The Cholas, they defeated the Pallava king and other local rulers. The Cholas built a powerful navy and led expeditions to Sri Lanka, Maldives and some countries in Southeast Asia. Okay, these were the extensions of Chola when they became powerful. Okay, they extended to Sri Lanka, Maldives and some countries in Southeast Asia. Okay, from the mid-9th century till the 12th century AD, the Cholas ruled over Tamil Nadu, parts of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Now it is about mid-9th century till 12th century. Cholas ruled over Tamil Nadu, part of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Okay, these are the extensions. Now, most important kings. Now we'll see about the important kings in the southern region. Number 1, Vijayalya. Vijayalya, you will learn in 2 parts. Okay. Now, his ruling time period was 846 to 871 AD. Now, these all ruling period you will have to learn for all the kings which I will teach you. Okay, you will have to learn this. 846 to 871 AD. This is his ruling period. He established the imperial, that is the empire, Chola rule in Tamil land with Tanjore as his capital. Now at that time for the Tamil land, Tanjore was his capital. Okay. During the middle of the 9th century, his grandson, who was his grandson? Parantaka I. Okay, and his ruling period was 907 to 955. Okay, became the king after his death. After the death of Vijayalya, his grandson Parantaka I, he ruled there, okay, that is in Tamil Nadu, okay, till from 907 to 955, okay, after the death of Vijayalaya. He conquered Madurai and defeated the Pandya and the rulers of Lanka. By the 11th century AD, the Chola power had reached the height of its glory. Now, when it got the victory and it reached the heights of the glory by continuously defeating their enemies by the 11th century AD. Okay. Now, Raja I and his son Rajendra Chola were the two prominent rulers of this dynasty. You have to mark it. Raja I and his son Rajendra Chola were two prominent rulers of this dynasty. Okay. Now let us talk about Raja I. What was his ruling period? Please mark, as you have to learn, 985 to 1014 AD. Okay. You will have to learn. He was the important Chola king. Who was the important Chola king? Raja I. He conquered the Malabar coast. Now what he conquered? Malabar coast from the Cheras. Now this will be very much confusing for you all, for all the things what a particular king has conquered and what was his ruling period. I will give you all this in points, okay, for all the different kings, okay. Then it will be very easy for you all to study. In order to control the Arab trade, he took some territories of Mysore, Travancore and Cork. Okay, these are all in southern region. Okay, thus he extended his empire in the north and the south. Okay, he built a powerful navy. He was very good at naval warfare. He controlled islands of the sea. Now, what is an island? Can you all say? Island is a piece of land. It is a small piece of land surrounded by water on all the side. There is water on all the side, and in middle of the sea, you will see there is a small piece of land. That small piece of land is island. The sea, like the Lakadives and Maldives. Okay, these are the examples. In the north, he annexed the northwest parts of the Ganga. He built the Brihadeshwara temple of Thanjavur or Raja Rajeshwara temple of Lord Shiva. Now you have to mark it. Lord Shiva temple is in Tanjore. On the walls of this temple are inscribed the chief works of Raja I. In all the walls of these particular temples, there is all activities and all the chief works which Raja I did is been inscribed. Okay. Under this rule, the Cholas become the paramount power in southern India. Okay, under his rule, under the rule of Raja I, the Cholas, they become a very powerful ruler in southern India. They had a very powerful kingdom. The increase in trade brought prosperity in their kingdom. There was a huge increase in trade, that is social economic background, which brought prosperity in this kingdom. Okay, Chola Mandal, the word Coromandel was derived from Chola Mandal. Now the word Coromandel, you must have heard Coromandel. Yes, that is derived from the word Chola Mandal. Okay. Now in the very next video, I'll start with the third point, Rajendra Chola. Till then, you will read about all the two kings which I have taught you today, that is Vijayalaya and Raja I. Okay, so please read it at home. Thank you.